You don't really want to look at my face, but that's a pretty damn cool castle, I think. Not the biggest, but pretty damn cool. Steps are pretty damn steep, but it is a castle. And it was about trying to not get people allowed in as much as allowing them out, so...
We just got in a bucket and throw it over the side.
Well, you know what we could do? We could do it in the morning before we go.
Call that catapult stuff, but obviously something else. Here's your armies defeated William Wallace. Very, very steep steps. So that's something to remember. Of course, it was about defence. About defence. So. I feel like I'm walking all these steps, and if I can actually get down them again, that's going to be the question. Also, he's got nice students when this isn't really busy. You can make your own pace. Okay, good sight of what Newcastle looks like. Oh, there seems to be a couple of guys up here being defending the castle still. He has a crossbow. I think the other one's got an arrow. So look, but decent view from here of what Newcastle looks like. Yes, I've got a bow and arrow. And got a nice view to deal with. I'm not sure what the building down there is though. Little chapel. Some chapels were never particularly big, it's only cathedrals and stuff that were usually big. Because like altars were not particularly big in chapels. As I say, there's a kind of coolness around castles. Probably when they were freezing in them. But then of course the Great Wall you had a big fire going. Okay, my review on the castle. I think it's quite good for autistics. It's usually, I mean, for this time of day, it's quite calm. There is a bit, if you do have you're a bit wobbly, the steps are a little bit wonky, but of course it's a castle and that's what they were used for. You know, they were used for defence, so they weren't supposed to be easy to get back and forward. The ticket lasts all year, so if you feel like you can't necessarily deal with it with lots of people, if you live around Newcastle area, you can come back and try it again. As I say, I was there when there was very, very few people there, so you will have to take turns of walking on steps or have people walking behind you that you have to deal with, but that's like commuting. So, but yeah, I say a thumbs up for the castle, and for the Black Gate I will get something from the gift shop in a second and I'll probably see what else is available. But I asked in the gift shop and they said that it very varied at the castle of how busy it was. But as I say, suggest go early and you'll have a cool kind of relaxed time. Also, there's quite a lot of things you could probably buy in the gift shop to stim with or to calm down with. So I'm going to put a picture in with some other pictures I've taken and see if we can find anything else cool in Newcastle.